this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm getting ready to make a dish for you all, and I hope you're going to like it. First thing I'm going to do is I've got about 3 tablespoons of regular olive oil in this pan, and I'm going to put a stick of Kerrygold butter. And yes, for those of you that know I don't like butter, I'm trying really hard to like it now. So I've been using butter versus, there's still a couple things I use margarine on, but most everything now I cook in butter. Alright, now I've got 7 hamburger patties, this is ground chuck, but I'd still say hamburger, ground beef, whatever. Those are right there on the plate. I have 2 medium onions that I'm going to put in here and drop one. Drop one of them, a slice. Alright, now I'm going to, the butter and the olive oil is getting hot now, so I'm going to turn this down to, my new wave down to 300, and I've got it, I'm going to put some salt and some pepper and some garlic powder and some stuff in here, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I'm going to go in and put the hamburgers on top of the onions and let them cook a little bit. I've got 7 patties in here. I might not be able to get all of them in the pan. I was hoping I could, but might not be able to. This one right here, they're gonna shrink up, so. And I'm using my next to the last Christmas plate. I've got one more from Christmas. Alright, now on these patties, I know you're probably going to think that I'm crazy for doing this, but I'm going to put some, on top of the patties, I'm going to put some granulated onion powder on top of the patties. And then I'm going to put some granulated garlic on top of them. And then I'm just going to let these cook in here. The one thing about it is I don't have a lid for this pan, so I've got to put some aluminum foil over it. So, and when I get to the next step, I'll bring you back. Okay, I wanted to bring you back and show you that I've got some salt, kosher salt, and pepper that I'm putting on these. Coarse ground black pepper and kosher salt. Alright. I see about, I need a little bit more pepper. Alright, and I'll bring you back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to bring you back and show you how much these hamburgers have shrunk. They've shrunk tremendously. They're almost ready for me to take out, and I'll bring you back when I get to the next step. Okay, I'm back. Alright, now I drained a lot of the grease out, and the hamburgers shrunk so bad. There they are. Alright, so I've got about a half a cup of flour that I'm going to put in here, because I've got right much that gravy that I'm fixing for these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stir up all of this flour in here. And I have the butter and the olive oil in here. Seeing it's sticking, but when I put the broth and all in here, the beef broth in here, it's gonna all come out. And what I want to do is I want to cook this flour for a couple minutes to get the flour taste out. And I'll bring you back when I get ready to put the other stuff in. Okay, alright, I'm back. Alright, now I've got 1 can of beef, great value beef broth that I'm going to put in here. And I'm going to have to bring this up to boil. And I've got not very much of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put that in here. Probably, this is a pint, probably 6 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to put that in here and bring it up to a boil. And it's going to get thick. And then I'm going to put the hamburgers back in here, cover them, and let them cook for 15 minutes more. And I'll bring you back when I get ready to put the hamburgers in. Okay, alright, so this has gotten thicker, and my hamburgers aren't done yet, so I'm going to put them back in here, in this gravy, and I'm going to let them cook for 15 more minutes or so. Gosh, these things have shrunk down to little or nothing, but I'll bring you back when they get done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so here's the hamburger steak with the onion gravy. And I've got gravy on my mashed potatoes. I can't wait to taste this. It's going to be so good. Oh, wow. And this hamburger steak is so tender and juicy. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Alright. I just wanted to bring y'all along and show you. This is amazing. It is so, let me show you. Let me back us out. It's so good. Oh, wow. It is so good. And I've got a salad to eat with this. And so, if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends, your family, on your Facebook, on your Twitter, whatever. And below, there will be links in the description box. There'll be recipe for this. And then there will be links to my Facebook page for food prepping, my Twitter, my Zaycon Farm Fresh Meats, where you can go and see if they have farm fresh meats in your area that you can pick up, and they have amazing prices on them. And so you have a good day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.